Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop Fujitsu and this laptop is working Windows, you can see, but no light. You can see no light. This laptop working, but this problem is cable. I think the display and laptop cable. You can see have sound, working laptop but no light. So when you using like this, it have light. When you put it back, it's no light. You can see here is opening software also. So now I will open this laptop and check and fix it, inshallah. First I turn off, press the power button long time and remove the charger and remove the battery. And now I have to open the screw here. There is 6 screw. So any laptop sometime is disconnect from the LCD is connection, so making problem like this. First I remove all screw, I come back. Our screw is removed. Now I will open this plastic. You can open this plastic through any tools for mobile phone. Plastic like this. Just unlock. Do not use any steel because maybe damage the display. This is very old model laptop and broken everything, you can see here. So now I will check. So broken everything. Here is the display connection. I reconnect again. And now I will plug and check. Now guys, this working. Also back is not closed, so this was problem the connection. So now I will return back the connection with some tape here, because do not remove again the connection, so you can put some heavy tape. So I put some tape, is not very heavy, but you can use heavy tape, it will be not remove. Okay, so now working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. And you can see now is laptop perfectly working. And now I will fix this broken part and return back. See, all the laptop sometimes is problem like that. Just little bit cable is removed, it's no light. It's working perfectly now.